back to my channel. It's Cyra and I'm back again with another maintenance routine. So I'm doing things a little differently today. I'm doing more of a full maintenance. I'm starting off by getting my teeth whitened. I've never gotten my teeth professionally whitened before, so I was a little nervous about this, but I was so happy with the results. I was actually prepping for vacation, so I was getting my hair done, my teeth whitened, all that good stuff. So I went to this place in Sugar Land, Texas called Naturally White, and I booked a little 60-minute session and they whitened my teeth 3 times. I drink a lot of coffee, so you can see that my teeth are very stained, but my teeth actually got 5 shades whiter during the session, so I was very happy about that. This was when she was just getting started, and then here are my results. Moving on to my body care routine. This is how I get super glowing looking skin. I'm using this Argan Oil Body Wash by OGX. Super moisturizing, has oil in it, and I'm using this on a loofah, so please don't come for me. I know that loofahs are super unsanitary, but I literally use them like 4 times and then I throw them away. I just wanted it because it was pink. Like, I was at Target and then I saw this. It was pink, it was $1, so I picked it up. But I'm just washing my body very well with this. Now I'm using a little body scrub. This one is the Moon Rock Scrub by Truly Beauty. It's my first time using this and I really liked it because it's sort of lathered up a little bit and it felt very moisturizing on my skin. It wasn't too rough, it wasn't too soft, it was just perfect and it smelled amazing. I desperately needed to shave my legs, so I'm making sure I exfoliate very well just to prevent any ingrowns and also to get off that dead skin for a smoother shave. After that, I'm using my shave oil. This one is from Tree Hut. They make the best shave oils, y'all. This one is the watermelon scent, and it smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher candies. Along with my legs, I do shave my arms, and I know that a lot of people think that shaving your arms will make the hair grow back thicker, but it's just not true. So if you want to shave your arms, shave your arms. I love the way my skin feels and looks when it's hairless. Like, the way my products apply is just way better and it helps my skin look more radiant instead of fuzzy. And to shave, I love using a good 5-blade razor. This one is by Joy and you can get it from Target or Walmart, and 5-blade just helps with ingrowns and razor bumps. Once I'm done getting my skin silky smooth in the shower, I move on to my skincare. So I start off using the Kale Superfood Cleanser from Youth to the People on my Foreo Luna 3. And this cleanser is everything, you guys, and I have to use this device whenever I wash my face. It seriously gives me the best cleanse on my face. And then I'm doing a little face mask, which is also from Youth to the People. This is called the Super Clay Purify and Clear Mask. My skin has been breaking out a lot, so I really needed a good detox mask. This was my first time using this mask, and I really liked it. It definitely made my skin feel like it drew the impurities out of it, and I left it on for about 10 minutes before I came back and rinsed it off. Once I'm done masking, I move on to exfoliating. I'm using the Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Daily Peel, and this is a 2-step exfoliating system. So I'm starting off with the first step and using that little towelette till it's dry, and then you let it sit for 2 minutes before you move on to the next step. Once step 1 is dry, I'm using step 2, which is the neutralizer. And this is their regular strength. They have 3 different ones. There's one for sensitive skin, there's their normal, and then they have an extra strength. And it says daily peel, but I would not use an exfoliant every day. I use this about 3 times a week. Then I'm using my favorite product of all time. This is the Advanced Nail 96 Mucin from Cosrx. This is literally the best facial serum. You need to get this. It helps with dark spots, acne, and just repairing your skin's barrier. And it's not that expensive. It's like $15 and it lasts forever. I've had this bottle since December and I'm only like halfway through. And then I'm using a little bit of eye cream. This one is from Clarins. It's their double eye serum. And it has like an oil and a serum that mixes together, and it just feels so great under my eyes. Then I'm following up with my Grande Lash Serum. Whenever I use this stuff, people ask me if I'm wearing falsies. You guys need to pick this up from Sephora next time you go. Then I'm using my Edam Cloud Cushion Airy Brightening Moisturizer. This is a really thick moisturizer, so if you have dry skin, this would be great for you. And it has niacinamide and peptides, all that good stuff. And it also helps to repair skin's barrier. So I need all of this right now because my skin is just acting up. Whenever I apply my skincare, I always make sure to apply it to my neck as well, because your neck is the first place to show signs of aging. Don't forget it. And then I'm going to put on some lip balm from Laneige and move on to finishing my body care. So I'm using this unicorn fruit whipped body butter from Truly. This is my first time using this, and I was pleasantly surprised. I was really expecting like a regular lotion or body butter, but this stuff was so thick and it left such a pretty shine on my skin. It has this soft fruity smell. It just smells like a girl, if that makes sense. And I loved the way it made my skin look so radiant and glossy. If you can't tell by now, I love having wet looking skin, and the way this just melted with my body heat, I'm obsessed, you guys. I slathered this stuff all over my body. I'm just addicted to the way this looks, the way it feels, the way it smells. This is probably like one of my new favorite body lotions. And I found that this is a really good one for your feet also. So if you're looking for like a good heavy duty moisturizer, check this one out. I really liked it. I love layering my body moisturizers, so after I use that, I'm using the Glazed Donut Aftershave Oil, which is also from Truly. And this has coconut, grape, passion fruit, and vitamin E. This really soothes the skin after shaving, because a lot of times people can get irritated skin after they shave. And I love using this whether I shave or not. It just gives such a pretty glossy sheen. And it smells heavenly. Like, one thing about Truly Beauty is that all of their products smell like pure heaven. After that, I finish off with my fragrance. Today I'm wearing Juliette Hazegan's Pear Ink. If you like clean, musky scents, you would love this. I love wearing this for day to day. It smells like a very expensive shampoo, or like you just got out of the shower, and I always get compliments on this. That's all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!